Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Smoking Hot. I'm Brian and I'm smoking hot. But enough of that. Let's talk about what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing some smoked biltong. Now I'm not going to be doing it in the traditional sense. Biltong usually it's the spices that you're going to be using with the vinegar, and usually you let that sit out there to cure for about a 10-day period. I'm going to actually be doing this in the smoker, so it's not your traditional. It'd be kind of like a thick beef jerky, if you will, but it's biltong, just not the traditional sense, and it's going to taste absolutely fantastic. So join me in this culinary experience. You like that word? I made that up. No, I didn't. Culinary experience. Get your beverage on. Let's have some fun cooking, because it's all about having a good time. Good food. Don't be shy. Experiment with it. That's what I do, and you know what? It comes out great. So let's get started, and we're going to make some biltong today. Come on. Let's start off by roasting 2 tablespoons of coriander on a medium heat. Keep it moving. Mix with 2 more tablespoons of the black pepper and 1 tablespoon of the salt. I use the Himalayan pink salt. It's less iodized, and that works. Going right on through the California tri-tip. I realize that tri-tip's one of those California things, but it's a good cut of meat. I really enjoy it, and it's going to work great for what we have planned for right now. With some apple cider vinegar, just going to go ahead and coat it, lay it on through there. If you don't have a bowl that you can just splash a little in, you can put this in a Ziploc bag. Put all your meat in there, pour in about a cup of your apple cider vinegar, and then just shake it on up, just as long as it's coated. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit on, make sure it's covered. I don't want a big pile of spice, so I'm just kind of rubbing it down, a little rub in, but rubbing it smooth so it's just not piled and caked on in one particular area. Go ahead and get both sides. And you can let this set for a few minutes, but I'm doing all this at room temperature, and it's ready to go right into the Traeger. Got this on lowest heat it will go, super smoke, but it's at 165. If you can't keep it down that low, just opening and closing, letting that heat out every now and again works fine. This is a 10-hour smoke. Looks absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to give it a taste. But I'm going to let it cool down in 1 day overnight. All right, moment of truth. So I pulled the biltong out of the refrigerator after being there overnight. Going to see how it tastes. It's got a nice bark to it. I don't know if you can see that bark going on right there. Let's take it. Spices are right there, and it's got that great smoke, by the way. Great smoke. The flavors are in there, and it's got that little tang from the apple cider vinegar. It's got that little tang in there. It's dynamite. I'll bag that up, vacuum seal it. I could put some in the freezer. I could take this out. I could just enjoy this on a nice day out. Man, just hanging around, don't want to cook. I'll pull it out and I'm going to eat it. That was really good. You're going to love this.